Welcome back to another video, guys. Make sure I'm on mute. And I am. I'm reading pages 95 through 100 of Machine Learning by Tom and Mitchell. And this talks about the backpropagation algorithm. Basically, what I understood for the backpropagation algorithm is that when you compare it to, what did we say? Which algorithm? A basic neural network with perceptrons. Perceptrons cannot express anything in more than linear terms. So it can't take a quadratic equation and give you an output. If I've got that right. It can only express linear decision surfaces. So there's that. And what the backpropagation algorithm does is that it can express it in more than 2 dimensions, essentially. 3 dimensions, 4 dimensions, 5 dimensions, however many dimensions are needed. And that's basically what it goes through. So instead of it being it using perceptrons, it uses sigmoid units that can differentiate decision surfaces in nonlinear terms. So that example where we said there's a plus in quadrant 1, or a positive example in quadrant 1, negative example in quadrants 2 and also 3, positive example in quadrant 4. There's no line you can use or perceptron in order to distinguish between, to encapture all positive and all negative with a single line. What the backpropagation algorithm can do is it can draw loops around that. So you would draw a loop around the positive example in quadrant 1 and quadrant 4, and then maybe you would draw an alternate loop that goes over quadrants 1, the loop around quadrants 1 and 4, and do it that way. And it gives an example here with speech recognition. So that's basically what it is, and then they give you the equations that you use. It uses not surprisingly logistic functions, and then it goes into the equations within the algorithm. I'm not going to go through all that because it's basically a proof. And it explains it pretty well. Like, if you've gotten this far, it should be somewhat easy to understand the basic idea of it. And it just talks about the weight update rules, in which you update weights in order to come to a local minima. If it's got several local minima, the backpropagation algorithm is still not able to find the global minimum. And so that's what it goes through. If you're watching this video, let me know in the comments if there's something else you want explained. But for me, this was enough to understand this part of the chapter. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Hopefully it helped you.